This is a SnowTrax product feature.
The biggest difference between an entry-level snowmobile and the highest-end version of that sled boils down to one thing, that is suspension. And when it comes to upgrading your suspension, that's something you can do outside of just upgrading to the next higher level package of a snowmobile. Elka Suspension are a Canadian suspension company who have a serious handle on power sports suspension upgrades since the year 2000. They now offer suspension updates in nearly all power sports lines, from ATV to side-by-side, snowmobile, and even some motorcycle applications, as well as now many offerings for trucks and SUVs, delivering premium high-end suspension for taking your on or off-road adventures to the next level. And for today, I've got a 2026 MXZ 600R Adrenaline package. It's a great sled, but it certainly doesn't have the suspension capacity of its upgraded X package or anywhere near the XRS. And truth be told, the factory KYB X Package Pro 36 or XRS Pro 36 EA3 shocks are a great upgrade over these non-rebuildable shocks. But instead of spending on the X or XRS, I wanted to take an Adrenaline, essentially a basic package sled, and totally revamp the suspension. Seeing as the rear R-Motion and the front RAS-RX suspension are the same besides the shocks, Elka was my first call, and oh, what a package they have put together for us. Now up front, we're going to be replacing these stock KYB steel body snail cam preload adjustable shocks with these, which are Elka Stage 5s. This is a reservoir shock. It has high and low speed compression. It has a rebound clicker, and then it also has threaded preload with the use of a dual rate spring. These ultra premium shocks are better than anything you're going to find from a factory suspension from any manufacturer, and allow me to finely tune the suspension characteristics of the front ski shocks to my absolute heart's content. Yes, when you're playing with high and low speed compression independently, you'd better take a look at some tech specs to understand what you're doing. And when you mix in rebound as well as preload adjustability, you can get pretty overwhelmed. But that's why you can also look at a more cost-effective upgrade to, say, a Stage 1 with just preload, or a Stage 2 that adds in rebound, and even a Stage 3 that gives you a piggyback, but just low speed compression. And if you want to do rebound, you can go Stage 4 as well. For me, coming from a snowcross racing background, I really appreciate the adjustability of the Stage 5s, but out back with the R-Motion that already rides incredibly well, I don't really need high and low speed adjustment, so I went with the Stage 4s, which just give me one compression adjustment, as well as rebound and threaded preload. Both the front coilover and bare rear shock that relies on the torsion springs are piggyback Stage 4 Elkas. That means I get full rebuildability quality, aluminum lightweight platforms, as well as low speed compression, rebound, and spring preload adjustment on the front shock. This is a massive upgrade and will absolutely take this Adrenaline to better than XRS suspension compliance. Okay, so you're worried that you just don't know how to set up your shocks. You want an upgrade, but you don't know a whole lot about setup. It's totally okay. Elka custom builds every set for your riding style. Every Elka shock is custom built for your application, and they ensure to ask a lot of questions about your riding style, your rider weight, and even any added weight that you'll have on the sled. This ensures that they get the best factory set shocks as a baseline for your bolt-on and ride. While the Stage 3, 4, and 5 shocks are for those who want to play with settings, you can opt for a Stage 1 or 2 and still get a massive ride quality and bottom out improvement over stock without too many clickers and dials to get you confused. Elka truly is a one-stop suspension shop for power sports, and they make it so easy to be able to take your ride to the next level no matter your budget, shock knowledge, or lack thereof. Now, out on the trails, I gotta tell you, I need a new set of stickers for this Adrenaline because no longer does it feel like an Adrenaline. Corner to corner, the RAS-RX is so much happier. It's soaking up bumps from low-speed chatter to high-speed corner moguls with ease. Tracking is staying true and focused, and the rear skid, well, this thing is quite handily the best riding R-Motion I've ever been on. I mean, wow. And the adjustability is incredible. A click here, a twist there, and I can have both front and rear suspension working in such harmony that nothing will touch this Adrenaline. I do find that taking the time to run a whooped out section of trail back to back many times and play with your settings is going to give you a much greater understanding of what the individual adjustments are actually doing for your sled. Don't just assume that you know, test and retest. It'll be a fun day of playing around with your new shocks and give you a greater understanding of just how capable your new Elka shocks truly are. Many times we think trading in our ride is the only answer when an easy to install suspension upgrade like I did today from Elka will totally revamp the way your snowmobile rides and works and keep you happy for many years to come.
Make sure to subscribe and comment below for real interaction with the SnowTrax crew.